Something's gonna bring the change. Journeys we are meant to take. Something at the edge of space, calling us to fly away. Don't you be afraid, everything will change. You and I, jumping off the edge. They say dreamers never die. So come and fly, come and fly, come and fly away with me. We're rising, we're falling, we're making through. We're climbing, we're soaring, 1,000 views.
We're rising, we're falling, we're making through. We're climbing, we're soaring, 1,000 views.
Come and fly away, come and fly away, come and fly away with me. Come and fly away, come and fly away, come and fly away with me. Something's gonna bring the change. Journeys we are meant to take. Something at the edge of space, calling us to fly away.
Yeah, ayy. All I wanted was a house like the Sims. All I wanted was a Chevy with rims. I like to rock the truths, yeah, with the Tim. You play with my family, they breaking your limbs. RP to all my partners and friends. Put your lighters up like Lil' Kim. One day I swear I'ma pull up in the bin. Cat G on that strong, you know I'm in the gym. Ayy, I'm out here to coast, yeah. Your bitch might get chose, ayy. Your girl like my pose, yeah. But you know how that goes. Missing my amigo, man, RP lows. Getting that bread, I might need me a loaf. I'm ballin' so hard like I play in the pros. My money too tall, need to play on the pros. Ay, she say that I'm house, yeah. And we never had no. My partner be riding, just like basket. They keep in the heat, ay. Call on hash, yeah. You know about me, I'm tryna cop that mansion.
I'm tryna get where I need to be. I got homies on that EBT. I just been out of my mind like a PCP. Rising free, homeless, you know what they feeding me. Players and hustlers, a pistol, the picky ring. Playing they dog and the whip on my partner sing. Got me like, whoa. I been tryna free my soul. I been in the streets, I know. That's that west side of my bloodstream. And them thugs sing a parole. Tryna get rid of fakes of 5-0. Let me turn up the bass or ride slow. Independent artist, face of my foes. Better make a killing here till I'm chose. Put them bars I speak on RIP and pour liquor out for my pros. Rest a piece of buff. The Pule and Grappa and those up in heaven. My Nike Cortezes come in size 11. When stakes at the highest is when I roll 7, you know it. Cabo and Cabji and Desi and Nono. With all of my now here we taking on todos. And I come from the side with the Chevys and Lolos. Nothing easy, nothing easy. I try to tell them ain't nothing easy. Nothing easy, nothing easy. I try to tell them ain't nothing easy.
To the shotgun, got about 5 on the other side is my mama. If I pop one, be the last time that they ever try, they bother. I won't stop, son, they be mortified when I make a meal and they nada. Don't sit around with my partner, shit, I make the moves that I gotta. I just hit the celly to the bar, ready scheming, applying for the squalor. I been making plenty, I been eating plenty, remember days without a dollar. Man, shout out my papa, yeah. And shout out my mama, man. I remember 2 a.m. nights, mama slinging dope by Monte Carlos. All I ever wanted was some travel out with a couple friends, make some plans and we do that. Tell them make the way for new cats. Always worried about what I do. I ain't got nothing to prove. My hustle was spending my act now. Got old friends playing act out.
A la verga, ya llegó el alemán. De esos locos donde todos fuman. Saludos a los reales que están conmigo siempre y la vida la dan. Tiro barrio, homie, puro home round. El giganoso el grito de mi sound. Tengo mergullo en el color brown. Ando pateando, soy Daniel San. Llegan al ring, mis perros ladran. ¿Te va a doler? Tu jueguito está pelado. Me pregunto si alguno llegará. El asunto es que viven con mamá. No quieren chingar en la calle, nada. No salen de casa ni nunca saldrán.
Nothing easy, nothing easy. I try to tell them ain't nothing easy. Nothing easy, nothing easy. I try to tell them ain't nothing easy. Held a conversation with some bigger figure on the west side. Said he just cop a whip and he's looking for his next ride. Never been inside a Benz, need to take her for a test drive. And I was thinking about to come up cause I never had the best life down. I'm about to run up your shit, I'm about to run up like Bliss.